Hi guys and welcome back to a True Talk with Tea. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. To be honest, आज का वीडियो मेरा बनाने का बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं हो रहा. I'm exhausted. I'm feeling very low. I'm a little unwell. I don't know, बस मन ही नहीं हो रहा है. मैं जैसे तैसे literally it's 1 a.m. and I'm sitting to make this video. Highly demotivated today. I don't know why. And I was this close to just announcing कि यार इस हफ्ते मैं वीडियो नहीं डाल रही. It's fine, let me not do it. But something in me just made me feel like no Tani, no, do it, just do your best. कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा, कोई स्क्रिप्ट नहीं आ रहा तो just come and talk to you guys. I'm hoping आप में से कोई तो अप्रिशिएट करेगा या कोई तो सुनेगा. होपफुली आप बोर नहीं होगे. तो मैं बताती हूँ एक्चुअली चल क्या है. सिंस द लास्ट फ्यू डेज, रादर since pretty much 2025, I've been feeling very low. A lot of things are not working out the way they should have worked out in my mind. A lot of timelines did not happen. A lot of things literally, होते last minute पे जाके नहीं हुई है. Like last year there was this one thing, I don't want to talk about it right now, so personal. Literally होते like it was gonna happen in 3 days, समथिंग मेडिकली, एंड वो नहीं हुआ. लास्ट में जाके नहीं हुआ. ऑफकोर्स आई नो कि जो हुआ अच्छे के लिए हुआ, बट my god, it played in my mind so much. So many things like that, so many other things like that in terms of work, in terms of my personal life, in terms of X, Y, Z. And I think finally the weight of everything is catching up, because end of the day मैं भी इंसान हूँ. I can come here and motivate you, I can come here and talk to you, which I do. I like to do it. But sometimes I also am not the most highly motivated person. कभी कभी मुझे भी बुरा लगता है for a lot of things, CFA level 3 for example. And आज मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा लगा था कि यार नहीं बनाने का मन कर रहा है. इतना मेहनत करती हूँ यूट्यूब पे तो भी numbers are moving like 1, 2, 3 people putting in half the effort have 100,000 subscribers, 40-50,000 subscribers. भगवान जी मेरे क्यों नहीं. आज ना मैं थोड़ा उस मूड में थी, which I know is wrong and I appreciate all 10,800 plus of you guys, but today I don't know, it was just one of those days. And then suddenly I was on Instagram, because as procrastination हम और क्या करते हैं, scroll. That's exactly what I was doing. And then I saw this quote that said that do not forget the times when you paid for what you have today. I won't say it changed my mind instantly, because एक quote पढ़ के आपका enlighten तो नहीं होते, but it did make me think, it did make me reflect. It made me go back to 2020 when I started my other YouTube channel called Truly Tani. तब तो मैंने बस टाइम पास के लिए चालू किया था. I was just dancing on that page, chilling on that page. And then slowly I started taking it very seriously. मैं हफ्ते में 2 videos 100% डालते थे. And I'm talking about 2020 when there was no shorts, no nothing. Just long format YouTube videos. And I remember I used to, make the house so aesthetic. I used to put fairy lights. I used to put, these torrents and all, because it was a very Bollywood page. And that numbers never moved. Like it literally never moved, and it used to upset me so much. I remember मैं बोलती थी भगवान जी please 1,000 subscribers तो दे दो. And I'm not a very social butterfly on the outside of YouTube. तो ऐसे भी नहीं है कि मेरे बहुत सारे friends हैं कि सब subscribe कर देंगे. नहीं, I have a very close knit circle. मतलब I think close family and friends मिला के personally जिनको मैं जानती हूँ, there were not more than 28 subscribers, and this I'm talking about फैमिली, एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली, फलाना ढमकाना एक्सेट्रा. फिर मैंने 2022 में ये चैनल चालू किया था. आई डोंट नॉट नो व्हाट आई वांट टू डू विद दिस चैनल. टेक्निकली आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन इट इन 2023, आई वुड से. सो 2023 में मैंने एक्चुअली took this up as a full time, starting off with my personal CFA journey, my personal life experiences. I remember तब भी मैंने बोला था भगवान जी प्लीज़ 1,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स दे दो, 1,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स दे दो. फिर भगवान जी ने दे दिए. एंड जब दिए थे देन आई वाज लाइक कि भगवान जी प्लीज़ 5,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स दे दो, 5,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स दे दो. भगवान जी ने दे दिए. थोड़ा टाइम लग के दिया, ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट कि मैंने मांगा भगवान जी ने दिया, ऐसा तो नेवर. बट या ही टुक सम टाइम एंड देन आई गॉट इट. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक भगवान जी प्लीज़ 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स दे दो. टुक सम टाइम, बट आज हैं 10,000 हैं. एंड आई थिंक वो ग्रीड ख़त्म ही नहीं होती. नाउ आई एम लाइक भगवान जी प्लीज़ 20 कर दो, प्लीज़ 20 कर दो, मुझे 100 के दे दो, मुझे सिल्वर बटन दे दो. अब वो वैसे हो गया है. एंड देन व्हेन आई सॉ दिस कोट, इट जस्ट मेड मी रिफ्लेक्ट दैट तनी वंस अपॉन अ टाइम यू वर क्रेविंग फॉर 1,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स. आज तेरे पास 10,000 है एंड यू आर क्रेविंग. of course you want more, of course we all want more in life, but we cannot forget those days, those moments जब हम इसके लिए भी तड़पते थे कि यार इतना तो हो जाए. तो अब जब इससे ज़्यादा ही हुआ है तो 1 minute के लिए we I think I should have paused, thanked God, appreciated my journey, literally clapped for myself if nobody was clapping for me, told myself that Tani, I'm so proud of you, and then start working for the new thing. Instead, before reaching 10,000 rupees, जब मैं 9,900 पे थी, तब मेरे को ऑलरेडी मैंने अपना बार सेट कर लिया था. नाउ आई एम एमिंग फॉर द सिल्वर बटन. So I never enjoyed the 10K, and now I'm just waiting for that 100K, which is quite a long journey, and then it's pinching me. Why, Tani? Why? And I know I'm not alone. I know आप लोग भी ऐसा कर रहे हो. A lot of my CFA clients, you know, they clear level 1, then level 2, and they're like ये हो ही नहीं हुआ. किसी एक मेरी client है जिसका level 2 नहीं हुआ, and she cleared level 1 very seamlessly. Like यार ये क्यों नहीं हुआ? I said okay, I understand, बुरा लगा, मुझे भी लगता है, but appreciate किया, level 1 तो कर लिया. And once that gratitude comes ना, once the mind shift comes ना कहीं बाजा पलट ही जाने लगता है. The wind starts changing because it's like you start appreciating the good. Your energies are focused there. I don't know about you guys, but I'm very much into energies. Like I really believe in it. Once you focus on the right things ना, the right things multiply. Once you focus on the wrong things, वो double triple होते ही जाएगा. Also frankly, of late मैंने एक चीज़ तो देखी है कि जो आपके लिए लिखा है ना, आपको मिल के ही होएगा. इट विल क्रॉस 7 के, इट विल क्रॉस 14 ओशंस, इतने तो होंगे भी नहीं, एंड रीच यू. और जो आपके लिए नहीं लिखा है ना, आप हाथ पैर जोड़ लो, रो लो, भगवान जी नहीं देंगे. नॉट बिकॉज ही डजंट वांट टू, बट बिकॉज इट्स नॉट मेंट फॉर यू. वी डोंट रियलाइज इट, बट इट्स नॉट मेंट फॉर यू. डजंट मीन that we don't work hard, we don't try for it. We should give our everything and try for it. But when we're giving our everything and trying for it, we should be a little bit, you know, little detached from the results. I know it's easier said than done, मेरे से खुद नहीं होता कभी कभी, but we have to, when we give it all, वो give it all होता ही तब है जब तुम कर रहे हो सिर्फ करने के mindset से कि okay, let me put in my everything right now. When you're fully invested in the present, that's when you're giving it all. When you're thinking about the future and giving it all right now, वैसे भी give it all नहीं करो. So let that sink in. I think I've been very ज्ञानी for today, from not wanting to make a video to sharing this thought. But मैंने कहा why not just share what's on my mind and what Instagram suggested to me. That's why I'm suggesting it to you. Also, ऐसे ना मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें पढ़ती रहती हूँ. So let me know if you guys want me to make more such content or share a little bit more about my personal life other than just CFA or finance related content. So I'll do that also. And आज के लिए I will go and sleep honestly, because I feel like I do not want the demotivation to multiply. अभी भी हो रहा है honestly. मैं बहुत ही बहुत over casually video बना रही हूँ. I mean, I don't dress up too much for videos, but today you guys can see that, you know, the effort is maybe bare minimum, and I'm sorry for that. It's not that I don't appreciate you. It's just that some days we're human. But I am reminding myself, and I will come back the following week more energized, because I will remind myself that once upon a time I've craved for this and I need to appreciate this. वो 100,000 भी आ जाएगा, but अभी के लिए 10,000 को appreciate करना भी ज़रूरी है. 10,000 में celebrate करना ज़रूरी है. So thank you to each and every one of you all who have stayed with me, who sometimes tolerate my nonsense like this. It means more than I can ever put into words. And if you like this video, don't forget to help me reach that 100,000. So like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.